Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the revision of exercise 1.2, question number 2nd, page number 14. In this question, you have to write two integers whose sum is 20. So let the two integers be x and y. Right, class? Let the two integers be x and y. Now, according to the question, x plus y must be equals to 20. It means the value of y should be 20 minus x. Now here you can get so many answers for this question, class. You will put the value of x here and you will get the different values of y for different values of x, and you can get so many pairs. I have written here two pairs. In the first question I have written x equals to 5. Then the value of y becomes 15. 20 minus 5 becomes 15. And in the second pair, I will take the value of x as 8. Then the value of y becomes 20 minus 8 means 12. So we have two pairs, 5 and 15. The sum of these is 20 and 8 minus 12. Now in the question number 2, you have to write the two numbers such that their sum is minus 20. Means here, class, let the pair be x comma y. It means x plus y equals to minus 20, because here we need the sum minus 20. Because we need the sum minus 20, we have here put the sign of addition because we need sum. So here what you will write, the value of y is equals to minus 20 minus x, means y equals to minus 20 plus x. Here you can put different values of x and you will get different pairs of integers. So for the first pair I have taken x as 5. You can take any value, class, of your choice. Then y equals to minus 20 plus 5 equals to minus 25. And for the second I have taken x as 10, class. Then y becomes minus 20 plus 10 equals to minus 30. So here, class, the pair of numbers are 5 comma minus 25, and the second is 10 and minus 30. So the two pairs of integers are 5 and minus 25, 10 and minus 30. Class, let me tell you, you can get so many answers for these questions. As here the sum is 20, you can write any numbers. You can write 10, 10, any number. And here as the sum is minus 20, you may write minus 5, minus 15, minus 8, minus 12. The questions are very easy. You can give the answer orally also. But to get a method, I am telling you by the method. But in exam also, you can write the answer directly also. Okay, class, here I am explaining how we can get different answers. Okay. Now look at the next question. Here you need the numbers whose sum is 0. So means one number must be positive and the opposite of that number will be, the sum will be 0. Means the two numbers are, let the two numbers be x, y. The condition is x plus y equals to 20. Means x equals to 0 minus y. तो x इक्वल्स टू माइनस वाई. मीन्स, क्लास, जो नंबर आप x का लेंगे उसका y की वैल्यू जो होगी उसकी निगेटिव होगी. सो हेयर यू कैन राइट डिफरेंट नंबर एज 2 minus 2, one pair. You can write 3 minus 3, another pair. Because when you add 2 and minus 2, it becomes 0. When you add 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. So here you have to write like this, class. Now look at the question number 3. There you have to write two pair of integers whose difference is minus 15. Class, here you have to take care. You have to write the two integers whose difference is minus 15. Means let the let the first pair be x comma y, right? So according to the question, what you will write? X, two pair of integers whose difference, here it is difference, so you have to put here the sign of minus. And what should be the difference? minus 15. Class take it, do it very carefully. माइनस वाले क्वेश्चंस में और डिफरेंस में आंसर्स रॉन्ग होने के बहुत चांसेस रहते हैं, तो डू इट वेरी केयरफुली. नाउ यू कैन राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ एनी नंबर x और y. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर x इक्वल्स टू -15 प्लस y, और यू कैन राइट इट एज x इक्वल्स टू y -15. Right, class? So here the value of x is y minus 15. Now you can put different values of y here and you will get the different values of x. Like if y equals to 20, the x equals to 20 minus 15 equals to 5. If y equals to 10, then x equals to 10 minus 15 equals to minus 5. So what are the answer for these questions, class? The first pair will be this 5 and 20. 5 and 20, one pair. And what will be the second pair? This will be -5 and 10. Now to check your answer, what you will do? Subtract 5 minus 20 becomes minus 15, and minus 5 minus 10, this will also becomes minus 15. Take care, class, here you have to put the sign of minus, and in the previous question, in question number 2, you have to put the sign of addition in between, because वहाँ पर आपको सम निकालना था और यहाँ पर आपको डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. The next question is also very simple. Here you have to find the difference जिनका सम कितना होना चाहिए? 30. Means you have to write two numbers as x and y such that x minus y equals to 30, indicating x equals to 30 plus y, class. Means if y equals to 2, x equals to 30 plus 2 equals to 32. Here we will take the value of y by our choice. Means we can write any number here. So and if y equals to 10, then x equals to 30 plus 10 equals to 40. So what we can write here? We can write the two pairs as x and y, means 32, 2, and the other pair as 40, 10. Here when you put the sign of minus in between, you get 30. This is a very simple question, class. Now the difference should be 0. So it is a oral question, class. How we will get the difference 0? When both the numbers are same. Means if you are writing x and y, so according to the question, x minus y equals to 0. When it will be possible? When x is equals to 0 plus y, means x equals to y. In this case, both the numbers should be same. So you can write as 2, 2, 3, 3. You can write so many answers, as many answers, class, as you want. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now look at the question number 4. Write a pair of negative integers. Pair of negative integers whose difference gives 10. Here, class, you have to look after at two things. Means आपके जो दोनों इंटीजर्स हैं, क्लास, वो नेगेटिव होने चाहिए और जो डिफरेंस है वो 10 होना चाहिए. सो लेट द पेयर बी, आपका जो पेयर है वो आपने क्या मान लिया? बोथ नेगेटिव हैं. सो लेट इट बी -x -y. गेट इट, क्लास? प्लीज look very carefully. So according to question, this is -x minus y equals to 10, class. It means -x plus y equals to 10. So y equals to 10 plus x. Now you get the equation here. Now you can put different values of x and you will get different values of y. Class, you can write the answer here directly also again, but whenever you are doing it directly, please keep in mind कि आपका क्वेश्चन की जो भी कंडीशंस दे रखी हैं वो सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए और माइनस डिफरेंस और सम का आपको ध्यान रखना है. इसके लिए मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर मेथड बता रही हूँ. अब आपके पास इक्वेशन आ गई है y इक्वल्स टू 10 प्लस एक्स. नाउ हेयर यू कैन राइट एज मैनी आंसर्स एज यू वांट और आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर रॉन्ग नहीं होगा. इट विल बी अ श्योर आंसर. सो हेयर इफ x इक्वल्स टू 1, y इक्वल्स टू 10 plus 1 equals to 11. So one pair will be 1 and 11 class. If x equals to 5, y equals to 15. So what will be the other pair class? 5 and 15. I have written two pairs. They have asked only one, but I have written two pairs. No worries, you can look at the both. Now see, but this is not completed. The value of x is 1 and y is 11, but the pair is minus x and minus y because we need the negative integers. So here we will put the negative sign because minus x and minus y is the answer of our question. So now let us check it. When you write minus 1 minus 11, what answer you will get, class? This is your check. So this is minus 1 plus 11 equals to 10. You get the difference 10 here. It means your answer is correct here. So यहाँ पर क्लास क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव वैल्यूज हैं आपको नेगेटिव साइन का ध्यान रखना है. In the next question, one value is negative and the other is positive and the sum is 6. The sum here is 6. So let the number be minus x and y. Let the pair of integers be minus x and y. किस तरीके से? such that माइनस एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 6. क्लास यहाँ पर x और y में से किसी की भी एक की वैल्यू निकालनी है आपको, जो भी आपको कन्वीनियंट लगे. अब यहाँ पर मुझे y इक्वल्स टू 6 प्लस x ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट लग रहा है. आप चाहे y के रिस्पेक्ट में निकाल लीजिए या x के रिस्पेक्ट में. नाउ इफ़ x इक्वल्स टू 5, y इक्वल्स टू 6 प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू 11. तो y की x की वैल्यू 5 है तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 11. तो आपका पेयर ऑफ इंटीजर्स क्या होगा यहाँ पे क्लास? x इज नेगेटिव मीन्स -5 एंड y इज पॉजिटिव. सो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. minus x and y. Value of x is 5, minus 5 and 11. When you add these two, minus 5 plus 11, it becomes 6. I hope class this is understood to you all. Now look at the next question. Here you have to write a pair of negative integers whose difference is minus 4. Here both the numbers are negative and the difference is also minus 4. Means the pair will be minus x minus 4. And according to the question, what is the condition, class? This is minus x minus y. Why minus? Because difference. And how much is the difference? Minus 4. Means minus x plus y equals to minus 4. So y equals to minus 4 plus x. Or you can write y equals to x minus 4. Now here class you will take into care कि x की वैल्यू आप जो है 4 से बिग लीजिएगा. So for x equals to 5, y equals to 5 minus 4 equals to 1. It means now the value of minus x minus y ये आपके पेयर हैं. So this will be minus 5 minus 1 class. I hope class this is understood to you. Here both the values are negative and the difference of these two will be minus 4. Class do it very carefully. These questions looks very easy but many students do it wrong with a little mistake. Please do it very carefully. Thank you class. I hope you understood it very well. Thank you.